President Joe Biden is extending a ban on home foreclosures. President Joe Biden is extending a ban on home foreclosures for federally backed mortgages by 3 months and expanding a mortgage relief program in a push to stabilize the nation's housing affordability crisis amid the COVID-19 pandemic. The foreclosure moratorium was set to expire March 31 and instead will be in place through June 30. It's the second time Biden has extended the ban after he used one of his record number of Day 1 executive actions to push back a previous January 31 end date. The Biden administration Tuesday also will extend the enrollment window to request a mortgage payment forbearance, which allows borrowers to pause or reduce mortgage payments, until June 30. That program also was scheduled to end in March. As a result of a third action, the federal government will now allow borrowers to defer mortgage payments for an additional 6 months. Eligible homeowners must have enrolled in a forbearance plan by the end of June 2020. There are currently 11 million federal government-backed mortgages nationwide. Around 2.7 million homeowners are enrolled in COVID-19 forbearance plans. The White House said Biden is committed to protecting homeownership and housing stability during the pandemic, calling the extended forbearance and foreclosure programs an important step towards building stronger and more equitable communities. The White House said the extended protections are in part aimed at prioritizing communities of color hit hardest by the pandemic. Homeowners of color make up a disproportionate share of the homeowners with delinquent loans or on forbearance plans. However, Tuesday's actions do not address the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention's federal moratorium on evictions for not paying rent. That moratorium is also set to expire March 31. About 1/3 of all Americans, roughly 107 million people, are renters. The foreclosure and eviction prevention measures predate the Biden administration. Former President Donald Trump last extended the moratorium on federally backed foreclosures in August. Through the CDC, Trump in September initiated a 4-month moratorium on evictions for renters unable to make payments. In Biden's $1.9 trillion COVID-19 relief bill, which he's pushing Congress to pass in the coming weeks, the president has proposed a $10 billion homeowners assistance fund that would provide states with federal assistance to help homeowners with mortgage payments and utility costs. The Federal Housing Finance Agency, which oversees Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, last week issued a 3-month forbearance extension to borrowers nearing the end of their forbearance plans. According to the White House, the actions collectively cover 70% of existing single-family home mortgages. None apply to the 30% of mortgages that are privately owned. Keep COVID-19 outside your home. When around people who don't live in your home, wear a mask, wash your hands, and stay at least 6 feet apart to protect yourself and prevent bringing COVID-19 into your home.